Hello everybody! I'm very happy to see a lot of new subscribers on the DPA channel, and that's why I want to explain very quick how this channel works and what I plan on doing next. In my mind, the DPA channel has three major topics that I produce videos for. The first is for intermediate and advanced students, where I create short licks that include rudiments like double stroke roll, six stroke roll, flams, paradiddles, drags and so on. I want these so-called hybrid rudiments to be a fun and melodic way for you to practice, to improve and to develop your own ideas too. In case you have no idea what I'm talking about, here's an example. Here's the link to the playlist. The second big topic is the newest and is dedicated to drum beginners. Here I plan on going from the beginning of my book all the way to the end of it, which also means that it will become more and more difficult over time. Each chapter will have its own playlist, where I will first show you some exercises, which then will lead to a solo that I will play for you as well, and then there will be play-along videos for you to practice and to improve your speed. Here's an example. The first chapter was about snare solo 1. The playlist is right here. The next one is coming soon. The third topic is about drilling and about slowly improving your speed. So this topic is dedicated to both beginners and advanced students. This one is supposed to be some kind of rudimental library that shows you different drum rudiments and will again have lots of play-alongs that you can practice and improve your speed to. The first playlist is about the single stroke roll, which is right here. Phew, there was a lot of talking, right? Yeah. So stay tuned, there's a lot more to come soon.